Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO. Today I'm back again with analytics. Most of you have asked me so many questions about Google Analytics and what you should know to the most important things in your analytics report. So when you're a new business or an existing business and you have a website, it's very essential that you link your website to the analytics platform. Yeah, make an account on Google Analytics and link your website in there. And when you link all the traffic and everything that happens on your website, you will be able to see it. Yeah? Because most of the time I get clients and I ask them, how much traffic are you getting right now at the moment? They say, we don't know. But the reason why clients don't know how much traffic they're getting on their website at the moment is because they have not linked their accounts to Google Analytics. And if you haven't linked your website to the Google Analytics, you don't exactly know what's going on in your website, what makes people convert and what doesn't make people convert, and what pages people are visiting and what pages people are exiting on. So what you need to understand is you need to link your website on and then watch what it does. So let's take, for example, you linked your account to Google Analytics and people come to your website but they're not buying. You go to a marketing agency, you say, I want to sell more. So your marketing agency will maybe look at the analytics you have at the moment and look at what exactly isn't working and what people are not doing and why they are not converting, or even help you, give you ideas on which keywords are getting you more traffic organically and what keywords are not working for you, or what keywords to spend money on, or what keywords to actually stop spending money on if you're already running ads. And if you're not running ads, they will actually recommend to you what you should spend money on. Things you should understand when you get your analytics report are the real time is very important. So imagine you want to understand what's going on your website. If you go to the analytics app, this app can also be downloaded just on your tablet, your phone, so you don't have to be behind the computer all the time to look at your analytics. So if you go to your real time analytics, you see exactly where this traffic has come from, what search word, or even which territory, which country this person is originated. So you will understand exactly what type of traffic is coming to your website and which kind of traffic you need to target more. And the second thing you should understand is the accusation behavior. So how are you getting this traffic to your website? So are you getting it from social? Are you getting it via paid ads, display, or CPC? Are you getting from the search ads? So it will tell you exactly how this traffic is coming. Or is it just organic? Are you getting this traffic from organic traffic using search terms that you actually have on your website? So if you know that these search terms are bringing in traffic, you can make more content on those search terms to improve your ranking. Yeah, and then with the analytics, you can actually make your website grow and also build it and also give it content that will bring it more organic traffic and will actually convert the people who are visiting into clients. So the other thing you should also focus on when you're doing your Google Analytics is you should focus on your conversions and goals. Because look, if you have a business, you have to set a conversion and a goal. So if you make an ad or when people come to the website, if they carry out that goal, you'll understand in your analytics that this goal has been achieved and how have you achieved that goal, so you can replicate the same strategy over and over again if it's working for you, and then you'll see that things will start turning around for you. The other thing you should focus on, if you have an e-commerce store, the sale. If someone's coming from any other platform and is being tracked by Google Analytics, they will show exactly the sales you've made using analytics. So you'll see the e-commerce sales or you see the conversions, how many people, how many, even if you're a doctor and you have a practice, and patients are going to your website to book appointments, you see how many patients and where they came from and how they actually made the appointment by phone, they sent an email, depending on the tracking codes you put on your website. These things will all show up in your analytics report, and the better you learn how to read them, the better it will be for you to grow and succeed in your business. Let's recap. I've told you about the real-time numbers. The second thing I've told you about is your acquisition, where you get your traffic and how to make it work. And the conversions, I've told you about the conversions. And the other thing I've also told you about is using your keywords that convert, or you get from the acquisition and where your traffic is coming from, which keywords are driving that. And also how to read your goals, how to set your goals. I've just told you about you should set goals. Your sales, how you're making money and how people are coming to your website, how you're getting conversion, how people are buying, if they're buying or they are just being tracked. So those things are very important. And if you focus on those 5 things, I think you have a basis on how analytics works. And later on, we can go deeper into detail and explain to you exactly what analytics will do for you and how it can help you further. But first, master the basics of analytics. Sign up for that Google Analytics account and link your website, and then drive traffic to it, and then try to analyze that traffic and then find out what it will do for you. And that was it. Join me again for next videos next week and the week later on, and keep on watching. I have more videos on ranking your websites and SEO and all those other things. And if you haven't seen them, click over here, you'll find more. And see you next week. And that was it.